Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie! Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, Jackie, Jackie. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. 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 So today is an exciting day. As you can see, my face isn't completely finished. I just finished filming a foundation video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But I went ahead and did the rest of my face. I did foundation, concealer, set everything, contour, bronzer, and brows. The reason that my eyes aren't complete is because today, I'm so excited. Okay, so this launched on the 15th, I think it was the 15th in Sephora. Look at that! The Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Listen, this packaging gives me so much life and depth to my soul. It's insane. So I'm so excited. But not only are we going to be reviewing and trying the new Jackie Aina palette, but I'm going to attempt to follow along with her video she did reviewing her palette. We'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna pull it up on my phone here. So
oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I love her.
My name is Jackie Aina, and I just created a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills.
So let me show you what the palette looks like. So this is of course the outside packaging. It's like a pretty like holographic moment, and it's come out. So this is what the palette looks like. You guys, you see this? It's like reflecting off my camera. It's so pretty. So this is what, I'm not blind you, but this, So this is what the palette looks like. I am so excited for this palette, you guys. I know there has been some controversy surrounding the palette. Some people are saying it's not light skin friendly. I'm like, anywho. But look at it. There's some pretty pinks and purples, and this shade right here, this one right here, Zam. Ooh, she pretty. So let's get started. Let's get into this eye review makeup tutorial about the Jackie Aina palette. So I already primed my eyes.
Of course, yeah, it's called pinker, you know. Pinker. So I'm gonna start first by kind of stippling it on, and you guys know how to do shadows properly, okay? You don't have.
Okay, so it looks like she went in with the shade Pinker, which is this pretty like deep. What's this? It's like a deep plum with like a red undertone right here. That shade. So I'm gonna go with that on a JH33. And she packed it on her outer corner. Hopefully there's no fallout. Let's see. So she packed it right here on the outer corners of the eye. Like right there. Ooh, that's pretty. It has a bit of sparkle in it, but once you put it on the eye, you really don't see it. You really don't, but it's pretty. It's really pretty, and it's nice and pigmented. And you guys, honestly, don't come for me though, but this is the first time using an Anastasia palette. I'm a late bloomer, okay? I'm a late bloomer. We're just packing pinker on the outer portion of the eye. I like that. I like that, you guys. I like it. Like it. Okay. Moving on. Okay, so it looked like she really like packed that on. She really like packed it on there. And then she blended it up into the crease. So I'm going to go in with the JH30. Just gotta grab a little bit and blend it into the crease area. Again, I have my mirror over here if I didn't mention it before, okay? So I'm just gonna blend it up into the crease area. These shadows are really pigmented. And just from this eyeshadow palette, I am convinced that the other eyeshadow palettes, whenever I do get to purchase them, will be really, really good as well. So, good vibes. Good vibes. So, I blended pinker into the crease. So, let's see what's next.
This color. Wigglies. Right there. Wigglies. Like, she's just, it has become my new everyday neutral. So Wigglies, I'm going to pop onto my lid.
Okay. So I'm going to grab the JH41 and I'm going to take Wigglies, which is a really like deep red type of shimmer shade right here. And she didn't spray her brush, so we'll see how this looks. So I'm gonna go straight. Ooh! Ooh, life. Jackie, baby, what you doing? Shook. I'm shook. This is my shook face. Wow. I am shook. This is so pretty, and I didn't even have to wet the brush. Wow. That's fire. That is fire. Fire. It's on fire. It's hot. It's hot.
So when you're thinking, y'all know how I feel about a dark matte brown. So we're going to take credit and blend that.
Credit.
I do this on the days where I'm feeling a little bit.
Okay. So, what brush should I use? So I'm going to use the JH37 and take the shade Credit, which is this nice matte brown right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner of the eye. Just push it right there. Now this matte brown it has a bit of fallout. I don't know if you can see the kickback, but it has a bit of kickback in the pan, but it's not really giving me that much fallout on the face though. Let's see, but it is doing the job though. And it's mixing really well with that first shade pinker that we put down.
The secret sauce is these colors cute, but in order for me to feel really comfortable with Wigglies blending in with everything else, you have to take Supreme, which is really not as scary as it looks. It's this color right here, the really bright neon. It looks a little fluorescent on camera, but it's not. So
it's not that bright.
Take Supreme, starting in the inner corner.
Oh, okay. So next, she went in with Supreme, this nice pretty pink shade right here, and I'm going to use that on a JH34. pick some up on my brush. And what she did, she ran it in between like her crease area. Right here. Ooh, I see. Oh. Whoa now. Whoa now. She ran Supreme in between into her crease. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Can you? So this one is with Supreme and without. Ooh, okay. Okay, I see you, Jackie. I see you mixing and mixing and tixing. Okay, yeah, that kind of adds like a nice little pop to it. It really does. So that is pretty. I see what you did there, Jackie. I see what you did. I see it. I see it and I feel it. So it's an all-around good vibe. Good vibe. Okay, so next she went in with a brown liner. I don't have a brown eyeliner, but I do have this lippy pencil from ColourPop. It's like a purple, but it has like a brown undertone. So I think that'll be close enough. So I'm gonna use that to line my waterline. Okay, let's move on.
Fine. Now we're going to do a little bit of detailing work, and this is always like my favorite part. Going back to credit, we're going to ever so lightly stipple that as close to the lash line as you possibly can, because you really don't want this to be the start of the show. The party's up here. This is the back. This is just where we keep up.
She is so funny.
Real show. I mean, I do love the small top bottom.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the JH43 and I'm gonna go in with credit. So this is a nice flat definer, and I'm gonna run that on the lower lash line. Okay, so now that I put credit on my lower lash line with a definer brush, I'm going to use this JH38 just to buff it out. Just going to add a little bit more because she has it really smoked out, so I want to do the same thing. Oh, it is coming together, like together.
Lash. Okay, this is the real show. I mean, I do love the small top bottom lash, but it's going to be relatively kind of subtle compared to the rest of the look. Then you want to switch to another brush that is kind of tapered, but still a little bit more dense, something that I'll blow out of that bottom lash line a little bit more. This would be Morphe M574. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take pinker first, start smoking out that brown, and then on top of that, I'm going to put Supreme on top of that, like double blend. Something like that. Basically both of the matte pinks, these two bad boys right here. But
okay, so I'm gonna take the JH40 and I'm gonna go into pinker, and I'm going to blow out that lower lash line because she has it really blown out. And then I'm going to take the shade Supreme and just go over it again. If this isn't smoky, I don't know what is. Oh.
I'm going to take a dash of Soleil, the lightest color in the palette, this color right here, and just do a dollop right where it needs to be.
So for inner corner highlight, because you know Jackie and her inner corner highlights. Hello. So she went in with Soleil, which is right here. So I'm going to take the JH42 and I'm going to run that in the inner corner. Right. Ooh. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh.
Because would it really be a dark out and look if there was no ending for her?
No.
Work, but why would you want to force it to? Sometimes we even go back and forth wear this look every day. And I mean that too. Not
Okay, so she went in with Wigglies to tone it down, but I have been eyeing Zam. I've been eyeing it from the time I saw the palette release. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Zam in the corner. Because we're not toning it down. No, 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 no. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. 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 Okay, so I'm just gonna add Soleil to my brow bone. Right there. And okay, so the eyeshadow is complete. I'm just going to apply some lashes, put on some lips, add some highlight, and I'll be right back. So I added on some Ardell Wispies, some blush, highlights, and lipstick, lip liner, and I popped on a gloss on top. And I added some mascara. So I would say this is like one of my new favorite palettes. Not because packaging is bomb, not because I just like colors, but the pigmentation, the color scheme is all so, it makes me feel something inside, makes me feel alive inside of my body. So so this is a look that I got following the Jackie Aina palette, and this does retail for $45 on Sephora.com or in stores. So I would really suggest or urge you to get your hands on it because it is such a great palette. So without further ado, as Jackie Aina would say, you already watched like maybe a few videos, so might as well just continue to watch the rest. You know, come on. I mean, you're already here, so might as well, you know, please. If you have time, if you can. If you can't, it's okay. We always have tomorrow. So, without further ado, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This looks really good. Like really good. Really good. I'm busy. Good. Whew. Oh my god. Oh. Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Don't mind me. Just don't mind me. Don't mind me. Mind me, please. Watch my videos. Bye. Subscribe, like, share, and subscribe.